So here's a transmission that was a fresh reman from a place we won't name. What we're doing is a conversion from a Dodge four-wheel drive shaft to a Chevy two-wheel drive for this particular, it's going in the M37 truck. So it's going to have a divorce transfer case. We're going to set up a PTO. Anyway, I was just going to go into this as far as I needed to change the shafts. I very quickly found that both shafts were not shimmed correct. The main shaft had a little preload. The counter shaft had 3 times or maybe a little more of end play that it should have had. The bearings were not new. The shaft bearings were not new. So we ended up going through all of it. The gear needle bearings look new. So I cleaned, this is the first one I got to. I haven't finished cleaning everything else up. I'm just going to clean it as I go. But this one, we got a little bit of MT85 oil on it. I put it on and it just didn't sound right. Oh, helps when you put the gear on the correct section. It's got a little, I don't know if that picks up, but it's got a little hitch and it's giddy up there. So just to check, and this is a new gear. It's weird. Most of the stuff was new in this. Some of it was used. I don't know what the rebuilder was doing. If it was one of those 5 o'clock on a Friday jobs where you up and get it done. But here's a good used bearing. I'm waiting on the new bearings. We have that one just to check. Alrighty, that sounds better. So these shaft bearings that look new and good from this rebuilder, we're just gonna change them. But yeah, that's one thing to check is make sure everything sounds good as you're putting it back together. This one, look at that, quieted right up.
1,000 times better.
Yeah. So we're gonna keep going on this, but make sure you get your parts from a reputable supplier.